Hello, Auto Assets here, just giving you a walkthrough of the BMW F750GS. We'll start down at the front and then we'll get the engine started for you as well. So as you can see, it comes with the adventure lights. Forks are not too bad, a couple of wee stone chips but nothing major. Nice Bridgestone tyre on the front here and a little mudguard extender as well. Tyre's pretty much brand new, as you can see. Plenty of life left in the pads and disc. Brembo brakes as well, which is always a good sign. We've got an upgraded screen here with an extender. The original one is also included in the sale. No bodywork damage to flag up, all's looking good. Hello. It's not even a scuff there, it's just a wee bit of oil, I think. Nice and clean in here. Upgraded suspension on this model. No rips and tears in the seat. And your back box rack already loaded. Bridgestone tyre on the rear as well. You've got your electronic suspension on here. Another upgrade is if you're familiar with Scott Oilers, you've got BMW's own version of it in there. So that just basically helps keep the chain nice and lubricated whilst you're riding. Quick shifter. And again, bodywork wise, no damage or anything to flag up. This particular model is keyless, as you'll see by the button. It's also got the upgraded TFT screen, and you've got your BMW sat-nav mount there as well. Full BMW iDrive system, so if you get a sat-nav in here, or there are a few other things you can do that will control, like Apple CarPlay, you can actually control it using this. You've got your cruise control, automatic lights, suspension, adventure lights, obviously indicators and horn, heated grips and riding modes there as well. Let me get the bike started up and you can hear how she sounds. Okay, let's start her up. So you just push the button here with the key nearby. You'll get a nice welcome. I'm just going to let the bike warm up. Well, to do that I'll just confirm everything's working on the bike. So we'll start back here. That in the camera does look like it's flashing, but it's steady, it's just the way the camera's picking it up. The indicators are working. Same at the front here. You've got your standard running light and your full beam. Again, in the camera it might look like it's flickering, but it's steady in reality. You've also got your adventure lights here, should you need them as well. Horn works. Heated grips, really easy to use. You've got the button here and you'll see the icon at the bottom, so you've got a level 3, 2 and 1. Really easy. Modes, again just using the mode button. Dynamic, rain, road. Menu wise, you can click through quite a few different bits of information if you wanted to. Back to the start here. Mode wise, you've got your dynamic and road. You click between the two. You hold the button down. That'll change your actual suspension setup. So that's in the luggage, 2 people, 1 person. Put that back down. And there we have it. For anybody not familiar, this is your ABS light. Basically any motorbike's ABS doesn't register until the 5 miles an hour, so that will go off just once the bike's in motion. Let me give it a few revs, you can hear how she sounds. any questions you've got about the bike, please let me know.